are you following me, motherfucker?
I am not following you.
Yeah, you fucking are! Get your
License.
fucking superior here right now! No, you're not gonna fucking arrest me.
Dude, please.
Again?
Please stop.
Again?
Please.
A routine traffic stop spirals out of control. As the officer exits his patrol car, the driver is already standing outside his vehicle.
What is your problem?
What is your problem? You're following me.
You're the one that's going out, yelling at me, doing whatever.
I wasn't yelling
behind
at you. I wasn't
There's
yelling
a
at
speed
you.
limit down Cactus.
I
Do you know
wasn't
what the
going
speed limit
past
is?
it when I was trying to
Do you
get
know what the
behind
speed
you.
limit is?
35, 40
It
miles
is
an
40.
hour.
You were traveling 30. You need to be at 40.
That lady right there was just going so slow you had to go around her to get to me, dude. You ain't gonna
Yeah,
fuck
and you
shit.
go around her and then you stop again? What is your problem with
No,
me? You
I did not
obviously want
stop
my
again.
attention.
I did not stop again.
What do you need?
I did not
What
stop.
do you need?
Why are you following me, motherfucker?
I am not following you.
Yeah, you fucking are!
Give me your driver's license.
Fuck you!
Give me your driver's
Fuck
license.
you!
Give me your driver's
Fuck you!
license. Do you have
Fuck,
any weapons?
what did you pull me over for? What is
For
the
driving
reason?
under the
No,
speed
you
limit.
fucking did.
Yes, I did.
No, you fucking
Yes, I
did.
Yes,
No,
I
you
did.
fucking
I
did.
already told you.
Motherfucker,
already
this is
told you.
illegal.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is. Fuck
No,
you.
it
I
is
ain't giving
not.
you
Give me
shit.
your driver's
Get
license.
your fucking superior here right now.
For what?
Get your fucking
Give me
superior
your
here, you
driver's
fucking
license.
punk.
Give me your driver's license.
Back the fuck up.
Give me
Get
your
your
driver's
superior.
license.
Fuck you. Get your superior. Fuck you. Get your superior. Fuck you.
For what?
Because you're fucking pulling me over,
Nope.
fucking with me for no reason.
Nope, I already told you. You
You're
were
a
driving
punk
under the
ass
speed
bitch.
limit.
Fuck you.
Sir, there's no need to yell. I need your driver's license.
No, go get a superior.
He's
you
on
just
his way.
fucking
He's on
tracked
his
me
way.
down.
He's on
stopped
his way.
me, sat back
He is
there.
on his way.
Did you not just sit back
He is on
there?
his way.
Did you not
Sir,
just fucking
okay.
sit back there?
Sir,
I don't
was-
give a fuck what Ashley
I
has
was
you
doing a
doing.
record check on your plate. You
Fuck
need
your
to
mother,
relax.
you fucking asshole.
I need to see your driver's
Fuck
license,
you.
please.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
This is a traffic
Fuck you.
stop.
Get your motherfucking superior. I know
He's
the
on his
fucking
way.
law.
You want him to magically pop up? He is on his way.
Fuck your
I
fuck-
called
I will
for
get the
him.
fucking
He's on
license
his
when he
way. I
fucking
need your
gets
driver's
here.
license.
Fuck you.
Do you have any weapons in the car?
I'm a fucking not. Ugh. Get the fuck away from me. You're fucking illegal as fuck right now, kid, and you know
How?
you are.
How is this illegal?
Tracking me down, stalking me, you little
I
fucking
I
turd.
saw your driving
Your
behavior.
dick's all
and I
tiny and shit, and everybody knows it.
just unhappy traffic stop.
What the fuck? You
He's
just
on his
passed a
way.
lady going fucking 0 miles an
Sir, are you
hour.
gonna provide your driver's license?
Fuck you, bitch. Get your superior.
Okay. You need to identify yourself with a driver's
My name
license.
is fucking Sam fucking Perone.
What is your birthday?
E.
What is your birthday?
What's your birthday?
You don't need my birthday. What is your
Fuck
birthday?
you. You don't
I
need
need to
to know my
identify
shit.
you.
What did you pull me over for?
I
Why did
already
you stop?
told you.
Why did you stop, you little punk ass bitch? Why did you stop?
Because
Park
I saw
there.
you stop,
Park
you
there.
exited, and you
Then
threw
why
your
didn't you
hands up
stop
at me.
then?
I was
Why
waiting
didn't
for you
you
to pass
fucking
by
stop
so I could
then?
conduct the traffic stop.
You're fucking scared, you little bitch. That's why.
Sir, I need your driver's
Fuck
license.
your
please.
mother. Go get your goddamn superior.
He's on his way. I
Fuck
already
your mother,
explained this to
bitch.
you.
Get out of my
Can I
face.
have your driver's license?
Fuck your mother, bitch. Get
Do you
out
have
of my
insurance,
face.
registration, and your driver's
Fuck
license,
you.
please.
Shut up. There it is. There's my fucking. No,
That's it.
fuck you. I ain't
I don't
handing
know
you
who you-
shit. Fuck you. I ain't handing you shit.
Sir, do you have
I
insurance?
ain't handing you shit.
Do you have insurance?
Back the fuck up.
I am not backing up.
Back the fuck up off me.
Do you have insurance?
Yeah.
Can I see it, please?
No, not until you fucking get a superior.
He's on his way.
You ain't doing shit. I want a lawyer
If you
for
want
to
to
say
speed
another
this
fucking
process
thing
up,
to you.
I need to see your insurance.
Shut your fucking pig mouth.
I need to see
All right,
your insurance,
bitch, get
please.
back.
I'm not getting back. I need to see your insurance, please.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Are you failing to provide
Fuck
your
you.
insurance?
You're failing to fucking follow the law, sir. This is illegal.
I
What you're-
already explained it
This
to
is
you.
fucking
Leave
illegal
it-
what
leave
you're
it.
fucking
Back
doing.
up.
You back the fuck up.
I'm not backing
You
up.
back the fuck
Back
up. I ain't
up.
backing the fuck
Back
up.
up.
I ain't backing the fuck
Back
up.
up.
You back the fuck up. Grab
Dude,
that shit,
back-
motherfucker.
I am not grabbing it. There's
Yeah,
no need for
you
me to
little
grab my
fucking
gun.
punk.
Back
Little
up.
fucking punk.
Sir,
Fuck
up.
you.
Back up.
Fuck off of
Do
me.
not-
Get your fucking hands off
I
me.
need another you in here.
No, you're not gonna fucking arrest me.
Sir, back up. Back up.
You back the fuck up.
Back up.
You back
Dude,
the fuck
back
up.
up.
Get your fucking hand
Stop.
off me.
You cannot touch me.
You
Stop.
should not fucking
Back
touch
up.
me.
I told you to back up. Dude, please,
Again?
please stop.
Again?
Please stop walking up on me.
I'm in my goddamn
Back
car.
up. Back up.
Nice. All right, come on, bitch.
Step it up. We're fighting.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on with it. 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 Come on.
During the struggle, the officer's body cam is knocked off. A witness across the street captures what happens next. In that video, a passerby moves in to help. According to investigators, the man attempted to grab the officer's weapon during the fight, and one shot was fired. The suspect was treated for non-life-threatening injuries to his leg and released from the hospital the following day, before being booked into the Maricopa County Jail. The officer, who sustained multiple injuries as a result of the attack, was also treated and released.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.